विदेश सचिव विक्रम मिस्त्री ने प्रधानमंत्री की मॉरिशस यात्रा को बेहद सफल बताया है। उन्होंने कहा कि दोनों देशों के बीच हुई द्विपक्षीय वार्ता में स्पेस, डिजिटल तकनीक, शिक्षा सहित कई क्षेत्रों में मिलकर काम करने पर सहमति बनी है।
Two leaders had the opportunity to take stock in detail on cooperation on development partnership initiatives, trade, the economic ties, and ways to deepen people-to-people ties between the two countries. They have adopted a joint vision for an enhanced strategic partnership. Cooperation envisaged covers several areas, including political exchanges, development partnership, capacity building, space and digital technologies, education, and talks about fostering greater ties in the economic, defense and maritime security domains, while also, of course, emphasizing the traditional domains of cultural and people-to-people ties.
और विदेश सचिव विक्रम मिस्री ने कहा कि पीएम मोदी और मॉरिशस के प्रधानमंत्री नवीन चंद्र राम गुलाम ने संयुक्त रूप से मॉरिशस के अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी लोक सेवा एवं नवाचार संस्थान का उद्घाटन किया। इसके साथ ही प्रधानमंत्री ने मॉरिशस के नए संसद भवन के निर्माण के लिए भारत के समर्थन की भी घोषणा की।
During the visit, the Prime Minister announced India's support towards the construction of a new parliament building in Mauritius and to provide grant assistance to undertake phase 2 of the high impact community development projects program. And this latter HICDP program will be worth 500 million Mauritian rupees. The leaders also inaugurated some important projects built with grant assistance from India, and these included the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Public Service and Innovation. The college is meant to train Mauritian civil servants and will also serve as a center of excellence for governance and training.
और पीएम की सफल यात्रा के दौरान भारत और मॉरिशस के बीच कई क्षेत्रों में समझौते भी हुए।
The leaders also, as I said, witnessed the exchange of several memorandums of understanding. There's an MOU on training and capacity building programs for public service officers from Mauritius, and under this, India will train 500 civil servants from Mauritius over the course of 5 years. An MOU on training of diplomats from Mauritius at the Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service in New Delhi. An MOU on local currency settlement of our bilateral trade. You might recall that we have already operationalized UPI and RuPay cards in Mauritius, and together these initiatives are meant to promote bilateral trade and investment using our respective local currencies.
और उसके बाद बात